I'm Maria Marshall. I am the Jim and Lois Ackerman Professor in Agricultural Economics, and I am also the Director of the North Central Regional Center for Rural Development, the NCRCRD, and the Purdue Institute for Family Business. In some sense, both of those kind of do intersect. They deal with rural households, rural business owning households. The main distinction between the two centers is one is a regional center focused on rural development in the North Central region. Some of the work that we do in the center is we collect data for the region that we make open access, and some of that data that we collect revolves around placemaking, housing, caregiving, food security. We like working with graduate students in terms of helping them develop the skills for data collection, to write layperson's publications, to make the data accessible, and we try our best to increase the capacity of all the 34 land-grant institutions in the North Central region. That includes 20 tribal colleges and universities, 12 1862 universities, and 2 historically black colleges and universities, or 1890s. In terms of the Purdue Institute for Family Business, that institute really focuses on farm succession, rural households, rural businesses, and the succession process when you're transferring a business, usually intra-family succession, but it could be from outside the family. Some of the research that we really focus on is the business across the lifespan. So entry into the business on new entrepreneurs, and then exits out of the business once that business life cycle or that person wants to step down. Some of my personal research that I focus on is around rural small businesses, again, across the lifespan. In particular, I'm interested in disaster recovery, small business disaster recovery, and that exchange of resources between the family and the business, and how those interact and exchange resources when they're both shocked by a natural disaster.